2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE. With less than 65,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include automatic parking, side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.